Welcome to our audio training series where we'll be talking about the different changes you can make to audio signals. The noise gate is an effect that allows a signal to pass through only when it reaches a certain volume level. The low cut, also known as a high pass filter, is an effect that cuts out the low frequencies, and the compression presses down on loud parts of a signal. Here you can see the low cut knob and the noise gate knob, as well as the compression knob. The individual knobs allow you to choose the threshold and the frequency from where you want the effect to start. You can also press View to see settings in the video monitor. Here is what the monitor window looks like for adjusting the compression. In the bottom left, you can see the threshold. That is where the compression starts. According to this example, once the audio signal reaches negative 32.5 decibels, the compressor will start pressing down on the signal. To the right, you can see the ratio. This is the amount of change that you want the compression to have on the audio signal. Here, for every 2.5 decibels, only 1 decibel will pass through. Next to the ratio is the attack. This is how fast the compressor starts to work. A lower number equals a faster attack. This is only when the audio signal reaches the threshold. Instruments like drums need a faster attack since the loudest part of their signal is at the beginning. The hold is how long the compressor stays on the signal. Drums have a quick impact and short sound, short hold, while vocals tend to be drawn out and may get louder on the same note, which requires a longer hold time. The release also affects how long the compressor stays on the signal, but more accurately, the release is basically how fast it comes off the signal. Drums are quick to go loud to soft, so they need a fast release. When you compress a signal, you may lose some volume. Here in the bottom right, the gain is where you can add some volume to make up what you've lost. Now let's do a quick recap. The noise gate allows you to pass a signal once it reaches a certain volume level or threshold. The low cut, also known as a high pass filter, cuts out the low frequencies, and the compression presses down on the loudest parts of a signal for a smoother, more consistent sound.